Excellent bag kuda. Flash off and flash on. Mind blowing. Complete white. Superb. Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Vishnu Reddy Vlogs. One more day and one more weekend. No. This time it is not a weekend. So today is Tuesday and wish you a happy Mahashivratri. Today I'm going to gift myself something. 99.99% I'm gonna take some riding gear for myself. As you all know that after my Lambasangi trip I have sold my biking brotherhood jacket, captain jacket, okay, because it got a lot of wear and tear. I was not interested in using that more. Right now I'm first visiting to RYNOX store at the KPHB. First preference is RYNOX and then I'm going to prefer Zeus. I'll see you near RYNOX store. I'll explore the place as well. Abhishek yadida రైడర్ అయ్యండి ఇప్పటివరకు RYNOX స్టోర్ విజిట్ చేయాలి అలాగని అంటున్నా. కానీ ఏముంది ఫస్ట్ టైమే కొనేస్తున్నాం. నా బైక్ సైలెన్సర్ తీసేసిన వంశీకి తెలియదు. So Vamshi doesn't know that I removed my bike's exhaust. That is a silencer. Let's see his expressions. Master iruktundu vandi. Exhaust. పరేషాన్ అవుతుంది మనోడు సౌండ్కి ఎగ్జాస్ట్.
10 years later.
V gears. Motor the carbo. Okay, RYNOX is here. So hi guys, we are at the RYNOX store from KPHB. I visited this store for the first time. Being a biker after ఎన్ని months అవుతుందన్న స్టోర్ పెట్టి? 7 months. 7 months అవుతుందట. So after 7 months I have visited the store for the first time. I visited for the first time and also directly purchased the jacket. I'll just show you everything, but before that let me show you the store, like what all do we have in our RYNOX store. Then I'll show what jacket I have purchased. So yeah, starting from the entry, this is our entry. Entry lo emem unnai? What do we have here?
Helmets. They are the
shaft helmets, okay. And avi
saddle bags and we normally
extra pieces, saddle pieces, okay. Okay. ఇది మన బేసిక్ కదా ఫస్ట్ RYNOX స్టార్టింగ్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, RYNOX లో స్టార్టింగ్ సిరీస్
బేసిక్ అనుకుంటారు. ఇది బేసిక్ కాదు.
ఓకే,
బేసిక్ అంటే మీకు లెవెల్ 1 వస్తుంది అనుకుంటారు, కానీ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ టు లాస్ట్ వి హావ్ ఓన్లీ లెవెల్ 2. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్
లెవెల్ 2. వావ్, దట్స్ గ్రేట్. సో వీ హావ్ 4 కలర్ ఆప్షన్స్. 4 or 5? 4. One is black and grey red, grey and green, grey and orange. KTM and Ninja. This is for my Dominar.
Same like.
Yeah. Okay. And ఇది మన బయట లైనర్, రెయిన్ లైనర్. యా, గుడ్. అండ్ ఇది థర్మోవేర్ కదా. ప్యాంట్స్ తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ జాకెట్ చూద్దాం. ఇది కూడా సేమా? అవి ఇవి
సేమ్. దీస్ టు ఆర్ సేమ్ యాజ్
అర్బన్. ఓకే. సో ఈ జాకెట్ మోడల్ ఏంటిది?
దట్స్ ఎయిర్ జీటీ.
ఓకే.
దిస్ ఇస్ అర్బన్ ఎక్స్.
Yes. Both are same price,
Same price, no. This is 5750 and this is 6750. In that you will not get chest. In this you will get chest.
Okay, 5750.
Yeah.
And this is
6750.
6750. Okay. ఇందులో మనకు చెస్ట్ వస్తుంది.
Yes.
Cool. బాగుంది. ఇది ఓన్లీ వన్ కలర్ ప్యాటర్న్.
Yeah, and this is only one color camouflage. It looks military.
Military type. Yeah. Some special edition laga.
Yeah, same. Who will buy like Desert Storm bikes?
Oh yeah, cool.
They will buy them.
Superb,
These.
superb. And this is my favorite Tornado Pro 4. This is also level 2 with chest, shoulder and elbow. This also we have 4 color patterns, white, black, red, black, green and orange. Again for KTM Ninja and for my Dominar.
Storm series.
Storm again.
This is the Storm jacket what we have in this, and that is a Noctex model, same as the Storm series, but
Okay.
it's a name as a Noctex.
Okay.
Why? Because these pattern will be reflect more. This is a reflective pattern which is useful for a night rides.
Okay, okay. So I found something interesting here. This is you can see. Look at the jacket normally.
Just place like that.
So what's your name?
Sri Gaur.
Srigod.
Yeah.
So yeah, Srigod is helping me to do this. This is jacket Storm. What is the full name?
Noctex.
Noctex.
Storm Evo 3 Noctex.
Yeah, you will see the color changing in 3, 2, 1. Look at this. Wow, చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఎక్సలెంట్ బ్యాగ్ కూడా ఫ్లాష్ ఆఫ్ అండ్ ఫ్లాష్ ఆన్. మైండ్ బ్లోయింగ్, కంప్లీట్ వైట్. సూపర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అమేజింగ్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ ద లీస్ట్.
Stealth Evo 3, which is an expedition series in our RYNOX also.
ఓకే, ఎక్స్పెడిషన్ సిరీస్ స్టెల్త్.
In this, you will not get vents. When you open the vents, you will get air.
వావ్,
Otherwise, no air inside.
వావ్, దిస్ ఈస్ కూల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అమేజింగ్.
You will get completely 8 vents in this.
8 vents are.
Yes, these 2 and these 2 and underarm 2 and here 2 and we have another 2 with exhaust. These are 2 but black.
Oh, superb, superb. And how much this cost?
12,750.
12,750. Pretty good price. And we got lot of things. Yeah, so pretty much we covered all the jackets. And pants lo kuda different types
Same
untaya.
matches with the jackets.
Oh, okay. Every jacket there is a matching
matching
pant.
pant.
Excellent.
And
Rynox.
that's Stealth and Stealth series, and this is a Storm series, and this is a Storm series.
Mm-hmm.
In Storm we have another model which is a desert model.
Uh-huh.
This is a desert
Wow.
jacket.
That is unique.
Sand, which
Yeah,
we
sand.
ride in the sands.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what is the basic price of the pant?
Starts with 6550.
6550.
Yes.
This one.
And protection wise, you will get hip and knee. Both.
Hip and knees. Okay.
Yes.
That's good. And the maximum price?
It's 8550, which is cost is more in Noctex model.
Noctex.
Same as jacket, the pant also fully visible.
Yeah. Oh, cool, cool. Wow. This is
550.
8550. Excellent. Rynox is definitely we get lot of things, lot of features for that basic price range. Like in 8,000 to 12,000 maximum, you'll get good jacket and good pant. And we have gloves. You can personally come and visit here to see what kind of gloves do you like.
But it's same as Air GT, Air GT.
Air GT.
Same
Okay.
as jackets, and this is a gloves for Air GT.
Mhm.
These are the gravel gloves. Just 1 month back they
Launched it.
these
Oh.
for full put. You can use as a daily commute.
Daily commute also we can use because there is no hard protection for this like this. Yeah. Cool. And these are mobile mounts, huh?
Mobile mounts. And these are the gang bags.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the saddle bags and trail bag. That's
Saddle
it.
bags, yeah. So pretty much we covered everything. Saddle bags and hip bag, waist pouch. Okay. Cool. And tank bag also. We have lot of things. Whatever a biker need to travel, na, get everything here, every damn thing. So you can personally visit here. Knee guards. Next purchase will be this for me, most probably.
400 cc.
Yeah, it is 400. Fully modified.
That's why.
So yeah, this is my jacket I told that that is my personal favorite, right? So I'm just going to take that red one. You might already guessed it when I was showing that one, Pro 4 Tornado. It got the beautiful elbow, shoulder as well as chest and back. Okay, I'm taking only jacket for now. If I am interested to take the thermal wear, I'll come and take it again. But right now, this is fine for me. I'll show you some beautiful cinematic shots in 3, 2, 1. Vishnu Reddy.
Interesting fact, this is RYNOX STORE.
Oh, nice.
RYNOX plus Ox.
Rhino plus ox. Oh, I didn't knew this. Rynox, I thought that rhinos and the symbol also, no, that is rhino. But I didn't knew that is ox. Oh, cool.
Otherwise, you'll get paid.
Ah, sure. We'll also check the saddle bags. Okay, clips ఉన్నాయి కదా. Only 2 clips వస్తాయా? ఆహా. అంతేనా? ఎక్కడున్నాయి అవి పెట్టేది? లోపలే ఉంటాయా? ఓకే. ఇది బెస్ట్ అయితే. బా లుక్ అయితే మొత్తం ఇంత పెద్దగా కొడుతుంది. నైస్. చలో, సో ఫైనల్లీ ఐ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ మై పర్చేస్ విత్ RYNOX at RYNOX STORE in KPHB. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళినాక దీన్ని చూసుకొని మురిసిపోదాం ఒక 2-3 రోజులు. అండ్ యా, దట్స్ ఇట్ విత్ దిస్ వ్లాగ్. Personally dedicated to RYNOX. Very big thumbs up for them. So let's end the vlog right here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and if you feel this is interesting and if it is really helpful for you, please give me a like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know the name, Vishnu Reddy Vlogs.